Hello everyone, great to have you here. Tonight's police pursuit erupts from split-second mistakes into chaos. Sirens screaming, lives on the line, and consequences that echo for decades. Some runs end in cuffs, some in gunfire, others in choices that haunt forever. Stay with us. On the night of the 9th of May 2023, in Jonesboro, Arkansas, police pursue a bronze-colored Pontiac G6. Despite multiple chances to stop safely, the driver turns the road into a personal playground, forcing officers to use decisive tactics to end the dangerous display.
Westbound Highland. Westbound Highland.
After the second PIT strike, the car spins wildly out of control like something straight out of an action movie. But this isn't cinema, just a chain of bad decisions pulling the driver closer to serious consequences.
Okay, C3's primary. Like we're turning west on Forest.
The thrill ends as officers tighten the perimeter. Keep your hands up, cuts through the air, signaling the moment when every escape route slams shut.
Keep your hands up! You keep those hands up! Here, Kenny.
Go ahead and take them to the, go ahead and take them moving up.
Come out right now. Give me your hands. Give me your hands. Give me both your hands.
I'm covered.
Come out.
The reckless run ends with Braxton Simpson, 18, in custody. A few impulsive minutes turn into fleeing a felony, along with reckless driving and resisting arrest, facing up to 6 years in prison and $10,000 in fines. What do you think?
The information's in here, we're gonna see.
Oklahoma City, the 31st of December 2024. More police spot Kayla Cervantes, 35, wanted on multiple felony warrants. Instead of pulling over, Kayla chooses to ring in the new year with a heart-pounding chase, turning her pickup truck into a rolling threat on the highway. The pursuit begins the moment she refuses to stop and floors it, triggering a chain of bad decisions.
southbound on Walker.
Clear southbound Walker.
He's going to come back northbound on Walker. Northbound.
Clear northbound Walker.
Through the Casey's gas station parking lot.
Thinking a shortcut through a parking lot would be smart. Wrong. Kayla turns a crowded shopping area into a moving minefield, putting dozens of innocent shoppers at risk just to buy a few more seconds of freedom.
Out to the service road.
Clear eastbound.
From pavement to off-road and then charging back onto the highway, the recklessness has no limits. Over the radio, officers know one thing for sure: this threat has to be stopped before it's too late.
Westbound, past Western, 240 westbound. TBI crash, start medical. 240 in May, start medical.
Clear TBI.
With the danger reaching a breaking point, the officer makes the call. TVI is executed with precision, one calculated tap, and the laws of physics step in to end the deadly game. The escape ends in cold steel handcuffs. Kayla faces 25 years in prison for drug trafficking, felony eluding police, and reckless driving. A few reckless minutes cost decades of freedom.
I'm good.
Las Vegas, Nevada. It all began on the 20th of May 2022, when Justin Venegas, 40, committed an armed carjacking targeting a 73-year-old woman. Nearly 3 months later, on August 11, while under police surveillance, Venegas made a disastrous choice, carjacking another vehicle in broad daylight, stealing a white Chevrolet Avalanche.
Looks like he's firing out of the vehicle. He's firing out of the vehicle at our unit.
Go, go, go. You got it.
Okay, I got, I'm down one.
Try to stay off to the side here. Hit him, hit him, hit him, hit him, hit him, hit him, hit him. Hit him, right here. Oh, shit. Oh, fuck.
Instead of trying to escape, Venegas makes a suicidal move, slamming on the brakes to force a patrol car to crash into him. Officers scream, "Hit him!" And seconds after the impact, officers were forced to utilize defensive measures from within their vehicle to stop the threat.
There was a silver SUV that he hit. He's slowing down now on Desert Inn, forcing a car off. He might be trying to hijack someone else. Yep, he's out of his vehicle. His car's running. He's got a gun pointed out at the victim here. It is firing into the victim vehicle. We have to get him stopped.
You've got car blocking. You're going to get back in it. Get all the way up to the block in if you can. You need a shot at the civilian. So we get that thing blocked in. Patrol, air fire, officers, air shot fire. Active traffic there, just west of the
Anyway.
Field description again, please.
He does Major 401 with our patrol vehicle. Roll 2 medicals for me, please. Major 401 with our patrol vehicle.
From the pedestal connects them to those panels.
The madness hits its lowest point in a crowded supermarket parking lot when Justin Venegas charges his vehicle straight at officers, leading to a critical tactical engagement. He faces multiple counts of attempted murder, armed robbery, carjacking, assault on officers, and dangerous felony evading. With consecutive sentences, his punishment could exceed 75, 100 years in prison, a de facto life sentence, ensuring he... In Craighead County, Arkansas, on the 3rd of October 2024, Trooper Todd Harris clocks Roshan Demongary at 145 kilometers per hour, 90 miles per hour, in a 96 kilometers per hour, 60 miles per hour zone. Instead of stopping, Gary floors it, turning the highway into a high-speed race peaking over 200 kilometers per hour, 125 plus mph, weaving recklessly through lanes, even into oncoming traffic. After Harris briefly loses him, Trooper Tyler Drum relocates the vehicle near Jonesboro and takes over. The end is closing in.
Driving in oncoming traffic. TVI, TVI. Roll over, start 16.
That end arrives fast. Seeing Gary as an immediate danger to the public, Trooper Drum makes the call. Wrong way traffic. TVI, TVI. Executing a PIT at these speeds is a life or death gamble. The violent impact isn't the end. Gary runs but can't outrun justice. His reckless choices leave him facing multiple charges, including felony fleeing and second-degree assault, with potential penalties of up to 12 years in prison and $40,000 in restitution for the damaged patrol vehicle. On the 18th of April 2025, in Polk County, Florida, it all starts when the driver of this sedan decides traffic laws are optional. He pulls a movie-style U-turn, nearly turning other cars into scrap metal. When police signal him to stop, he chooses not to, transforming a quiet afternoon into a high-speed chase. A decision he'll regret for a very long time. Just when it seems over, it isn't. He turns the highway into an off-road racetrack. This ill-advised drift does only one thing: destroys the tires and shortens the clock on his escape. Then physics has its say. Brian Eugene Shoemaker, 29, trades a few reckless minutes for a second-degree felony fleeing charge, facing up to 15 years behind bars.